Hello. Dek.
AFK. Hello, Ira. What is popping YouTube? Today, we are going to the zoo. Not just any zoo, Singapore Zoo for the luminous night. Alright, awesome. We're gonna go to Singapore Zoo's luminous night today. See y'all there. It's a very crowded bus right now. Okay guys, so basically it's not luminous or whatever. It's called Rainforest Lumina. So why is this happening? Basically Singapore Zoo is turning 45 years old. It's a new night train that's open in Singapore. So we'll be exploring the zoo later. Hope you all enjoy this video. It's 45 wild years of Singapore Zoo. 45 wild years. 45. Hi everybody!
Hi everybody.
So we are eating KFC. Actually it's good time already. We are eating KFC before we enter the zoo. The water just spilled. Yo! So we having a quick dinner before we enter the zoo at KFC. Awesome chicken. So where are we right now? We're gonna see animals, right? What's our favorite animal? Koala bear. You? Pig. Stop the video right now. Now we are inside the Singapore Zoo Rainforest Lumina. Alright, brought to you by Singapore Zoo, Moment Factory and also Fashion Made Possible. Okay. This is a beautiful poster right here. The first poster we ever seen. It's already luminous. So we're going to continue walking and explore this new area. This section is laser beams. As you can see in the background, there's a lot of lasers around the area. Super beautiful. Yeah, I can see. Right, my lighting manager, sister, number one. Right, but without the light, you cannot see on the camera. So, okay, it looks beautiful, guys. You believe me? This is all laser beams. Super laser beams. Green laser beams can be seen in this area.
I love you, Shasha. Bye.